CJC Offroad are one of the USA's leading wholesale suspension companies. So not just suspension, but four-wheel drive parts in general. They're Carly, USA's biggest dealer. Really a key company over there that we see running rings around a lot of the others.
My name is Cody Comensky. I am the co-owner of CJC Offroad. We're an online parts store for American heavy-duty trucks, as well as behind me we have our installation shop as well. CJC Offroad unofficially has probably been around for, I'd say, about 14 years. Officially as a business, I'd say we're in about our 11th year of operation. CJC Offroad specializes in performance parts and suspension for American heavy-duty trucks, specifically the diesel platforms. However, we have branched out a little bit, but our primary focus has always been essentially performance suspension components for 25 and 3500 trucks.
So I've been dealing with CJC Offroad since we started Big Dog Builds, and such a professional company with great customer service is really what led me to wanting to deal with them more and more. Now we're Carly, Australia's biggest dealer as well. CJC offer a wide range of different suspension options, from your 2.0 standard shock packages up to your 2.5s, even your 3.0 Dominator kits. So these are extreme off-road capabilities, and what we've found the most popular here in Australia is the 2.5 pin top suspension kits. So these are utilising King's 2.5 remote res shocks and then quality components from Carly, and these kits here in Australia definitely outperform the rest on the market. The base kits include more options than a lot of standard suspension companies do. The main one that I can think of being the adjustable track bar / panhard rod for the front end, keeping the axle centered. It's a basic component like this that a lot of the cheap kits don't offer, and Carly have really thought of everything. CJC definitely know what they're doing, and following their lead has been really fundamental for Big Dog.
Big Dog Builds first popped up on our radar about a year and a half ago as this pretty new shop. And in fact, I believe the owners actually contacted us before the shop had opened in regards to setting up an account and making sure they had a secure pipeline for getting quality suspension components down in Australia. We get a ton of requests every day, so while we do take them all seriously, we're kind of surprised at what that relationship quickly turned into.
It was great having Cody over here. I think he was blown away with the scenery that we took him to, but seeing the American trucks here on Australian roads, he definitely saw how we use these vehicles and why we choose to option the vehicles with the kits that we get from them.
Over the course of the last 5 years, we've had some very character Australian customers approach us. A lot of guys trying to build these trucks or wanting to get some of these really cool American suspension systems on their American trucks down in Australia. But I wouldn't say there was a huge support network for it at first, and so a lot of guys were doing it in their buddies' automotive shops. And again, as Big Dog reached out to us a little over a year ago, that relationship has extremely blossomed because it very quickly went from, hey, we think we want to order some suspension systems, to essentially daily suspension system shipments down to Australia.
So having a professional relationship with CJC Offroad is one thing, but really getting to know their team on a personal level as well is really key to how we communicate daily. I communicate with them throughout each day. We go back and forth and learn what we need here, what we need to tweak, what options we can do and can't do for the Australian conditions. And having that personal level as well as professional is really what's made the partnership great.